Hey, and welcome back to the Jazzy Nation. So today's What I Eat in a Day is going to start off with some tea. I decided to have a little bit of pomegranate tea while I read my book, but I did get hungry soon after and decided that I needed to go make something for breakfast. And so this breakfast is going to be a leftovers dream. I am using some leftover black-eyed peas that I had in the fridge, some rice that went with the black-eyed peas, and an egg, and I'm simply adding all of those in one bowl and mixing them together. I also added salt and pepper because after kind of mixing new things together and adding a raw egg, you definitely need some extra seasoning. And I add a bit of oil to a pan and drop the black-eyed pea mixture by a rounded tablespoon and spread them out over the pan. Once the patties have cooked a little bit on the bottom, I then smash them down slightly with a spatula, and then I spread them out so that they are not touching, so that they have their own space to cook. And once they are ready and crispy on the bottom, I simply give them a flip and they are beautiful. I was so happy with the way these turned out. With my black-eyed pea patties, I'm gonna have some fruit, and I decided to have pomegranates. Pomegranates have been my fruit for a really long time now. And this is what everything looks like, all done and prepared. And then I decided to plate my breakfast. Who doesn't like good-looking food? I was really happy with the way everything turned out. Oh my gosh, this meal was so good. I even did a little happy dance. So for a snack, I ended up eating these little chip things that I found at my local grocery store. They are such an obsession, and oh my gosh, they just fulfill my cravings. So we're gonna be heading off to lunch. I don't remember where my friend said that we were going to, but I'm excited nonetheless because it's food. I'm hungry and I'm ready to go. Lunch with my friend was so amazing. It was so much fun. We went to a place called Autumn Leaf and I had a smoothie. This is probably one of the best smoothies I've had in a long time. Onion rings, and I also got a salad, but I don't know where the footage of my salad was, but please believe me, it was delicious. So I was starving and I had another snack. I had popcorn and it was so good. For dinner, my husband and I decided to whip up something together because we like to cook together. And we're making this shrimp dish that I got out of my food and wine cookbook. I'm so obsessed with cookbooks, you guys. If you want to see a cookbook kind of collection video, let me know because I would love to do that. Today's dish is featuring Licious. And Licious is a really cool online marketplace where you can get some really amazing and good quality meats, seafoods, and other things as well that they offer, like eggs. And we have been ordering from Licious for about 3 weeks now, and we are so happy. So make sure you check them out if you're looking for some good quality and sourced meats and seafoods and different items. After washing our shrimp, we toss it in a pan and give it a little coat with the olive oil that's in there as well. And then we take out the shrimp and start to create what is called a roux, and we're using the drippings from the shrimp and butter. And then we put the shrimp back in the pan and then add cherry tomatoes and let that simmer down. We then add the green onions and our other herbs. I forgot what this is, if it's parsley or cilantro, to be honest with you, but it was good. And that is it. Thank you all so much for watching this What I Eat in a Day video. Let me know in the comment section below what you'd like to see for future videos, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!